They're everything you ever want, they're everything you ever need, and the trips are in front of you. This is where you wanna be. Hey, can you do me a favor and go and give your mom a lot of love?
Oh, you're so sweet. What about a kiss? Oh, thank you.
Can you give her a kiss? She's the best mom ever. I know she's great, but what do you think about your daddy? Oh,
Daddy.
I love you so much. Hey. Hey, can you zip up your shirt? We're wearing matching clothes.
There you go. We're ready to go.
Da-da-da. Da-da-da.
My big baby. What the heck? Derek.
Gemma, that is
Gemma!
not a toy. Hey,
You're
Gemma,
crazy.
that thing's not a toy.
This is not a step.
She's just stepping on her belly. 1 baby, 2 baby, 3 baby.
You can't stand.
Is it all zipped? Ready to go?
Yep, it's all zipped. Just give me a lovey. Oh.
So hard to leave the house because you just want to play and jump, huh? That's all you want to do. You're so fast. You're a track star. Hey, can you put your shoes on? You need help? Oh, got some sauces? Got some macaroni and cheese. All right, okay, can we go and eat? We're gonna go to Core Life. There's Gemma's food. So healthy. Salad. And Cara, who went and got Firehouse subs. Because she doesn't like eating healthy. Huh, Cara?
And I keep spilling it on my belly.
Oh, I'll say cheese. High five. Nuts. Cheers.
I seriously had a contraction while we were eating. So, if the babies come tonight, we know why.
Hold on, Cara. Didn't you already have the babies?
Yes, and I miss them. Please fast forward. Last night was our first night away from the babies. So sad, but we're gonna go visit them right now.
Hey, Pia. You're gonna be a big sister. A big little sister. Right now, the babies are about your size, Pia. But they're gonna outgrow you real quick. Then Gemma.
Gemma thinks that she's Pia's boss.
Right there. Whoa, Cara. That's crazy. Turn sideways.
Look, my bump is gone.
Yeah.
Remember when it was out to here?
Yep, it's flat. Cara, how does that feel?
Feels so light. Light is there.
Do you want to do some jumping jacks?
No, except I can't move still. It's kind of like I still have it because I'm still like, I can't bend over, I can't pick things up.
Yeah. Did skin to skin with 2 babies at once.
Oh yeah, last night
Yeah, tell them about that.
I got to hold Royal and Wren together on my chest, skin to skin, and they were so cuddly and so cute. The neonatologist called this morning and said Reese should be off of her oxygen by this afternoon and off of her IV fluid, and that they might all be in a bigger crib all together, all 3 of them for the first time. So we're gonna go and see.
It's getting cold in Utah, guys. But pretty soon the snow is gonna be coming. And then the triplets are gonna have their first snowy winter wonderland.
And Gemma loves. She would go to our back door right here and we'd get our snowsuit on and we'd just crack the door open and she would play out there on our balcony where the snow is forever, just by herself.
This is also what I'm excited for. Let there be light. Probably the greatest showman. This is the greatest show. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
You're making my...
Oh, Carrie can't laugh. I won this from my work, but it's a portable hot tub. Come here. Look. Now, isn't that not fun? A little portable hot tub. We haven't used it yet. Gemma's gonna love this thing.
Oh yeah.
Everything you'll ever want. It's everything you ever need, and it's here right in front of you.
Let's go see the babies.
Okay. Honestly, The Greatest Showman, how many times did we see that?
I have no idea.
It's just one of the best movies. One of those feel good. Gemma loves The Greatest Showman too. And A Star is Born, we heard, is really good. And now that Cara is 3 babies lighter,
I might actually go sit through a movie.
we can go to a movie. And Cara, my mom,
Has
took
Gemma
tonight, overnight.
That's true.
That means date
Date
popcorn.
night. Movie theater popcorn with
Movie
extra
theater popcorn.
butter.
So A Star is Born, we're gonna go see that. And we heard from so many of you and other people that it's like super emotional. You know, we've been crying for a week straight. Let's just go cry some more.
Yeah, why not?
Why not? Headed in to visit the babes. They're doing so good. The doctors called us and they said that they have all of them off of oxygen now. They started putting some of them together so they can talk to each other. It's so fun. Can't wait to see them. Cara, what do you got there?
I come bearing gifts.
Some more liquid gold.
Some milky milk.
Cara comes with frankincense, gold and myrrh, liquid gold for our babes. Time to phone sanitize. Wipe down your phone.
Oh, and I got my ring off.
How'd you do it?
And my knuckles went down, so I'm keeping it off till we're done with
you just
the
shrunk.
NICU.
Why do we do that to our phones?
Because they're filthy. It's literally the dirtiest thing.
You have to put it in the bag. But the best part about this bag is that you can still catch. So this happened today, Cara. Oh my gosh.
There's 3 babies. 1, 2, 3.
Who's who?
Reese, Royal, Wren. See, she doesn't need a hat because she's so hairy.
Reese has so much hair, she doesn't need a hat. Royal, hi buddy. What, you just smiled and then you frowned. Getting sad real quick. Wren, hi Wren. Hi girlfriend. My heart is literally melting at how cute this is. Royal, you don't need to be sad. Royal, don't be sad. Hey. Royal, you're waking up Wren. Hi, Wren. Is your brother waking you up? That's going to be a reoccurring thing. Waking each other up. But we can't wait for it. Royal, can you smile for your dada? Royal, come on. Can I see your pearly whites? Are you blowing bubbles? Royal, are you blowing bubbles? Your dada's here. I love you, Royal. Royal, you're in with your sisters. It's a royal sandwich. Reese, you smiled too. Reese, I saw that. You snuck one in there. Reese, hi. Hi, sweet girl. Royal, you're smiling too. You guys just all smiling. It's a happy family. The happy trio. Wren, where's your smile? Wren. Can I see a smile?
They're wearing clothes.
Reese, you have clothes on.
Like a real baby.
You're like a real infant.
You have a binky in there with you
You're
too.
almost to the newborn stage. She's like, hold
Not
on,
really.
guys. Guys, hold on. Cara is so good at changing diapers. I am so good at watching. I'm the best watcher.
Sweet little
Reese
baby.
is so lucky today. She's the first one to get on Mama.
She's squeaking.
Little mouse.
Are you little squeaky girl? I love her fuzz.
I love you, Royal. You are so royal.
Both have pretty dark hair.
Wren's just a little baby bird.
Yeah.
Date night was a success. Gemma is with Grandma. We just left the hospital. We went to dinner and we went to a movie, and that's why we're here at our house right now because, what happened, Cara?
Then we went to the gas station.
We went to the gas station and got treats.
And then I asked him for like 2 hours to look up the movie times and to like get tickets, whatever.
Yeah, but it is.
So we went to the movie theater. He still hadn't done any of it, and
Well, it's Tuesday night.
the seats were
It's Tuesday
full.
night. Who the freak goes to a movie on Tuesday?
Tuesday's the cheap night.
And then I
we
realized, oh yeah, it's the day that it's discounted, so it was full of people.
Ouch!
Oh.
Please stop.
Forgot you had a.
You've done that like so many times. I just asked you to stop.
Sorry, I forgot. Date night is gonna just resume in our house. We're gonna go find a movie. We'll let you know what
We'll
we
eat our
pick.
treats in bed.
And catch up on our emails. So the Chatwins email, we have
We haven't written back to him.
we probably have like 200 emails.
Yeah.
There's a lot of cool things in there that we need to write back. So if you're waiting on us, we'll get back to you tonight. All right, bud. I'll be in the bedroom if you need me.
Okay.
Oh, and Gemma, if you're watching this, like 10 years down the road, I love you so much. Wren, if you're watching this, Reese, Royal, you guys are such blessings, and I hope you're making good decisions right now wherever you are. Daddy loves you. Since Gemma is gone, I can play the piano for like the first time in forever because she's not here to cry and make me sad, because every time I play, she gets emotional. Gemma, if you're watching this, I know you're not right now, you don't have a smartphone, but if you're watching it down the road, I love you so much, and I hope you don't cry when I play anymore. In fact, you all are gonna play. You're all taking lessons. Gemma, Reese, Royal, Wren, Cara, Pia. That was for you. So how was it today in the NICU?
Good.
Really special today because when we walked in, as you guys saw, all 3 burritos, all 3 bundles of joy were just facing the same direction and they were just out cold. And I told Cara, that looks like 3 dolls.
They were so cute. And they were wearing clothes for the first time. They had little onesies on.
I'm not going to show you guys my pillow because I drool a lot. And Royal drools after me. People are asking what inspired us to give them those names. Let's get up close and personal.
I don't know where it came from. You're hitting the mic on my face.
Oh, too close?
So Reese, I don't know where it came from. It doesn't have a special meaning. I just thought it was so cute and I really wanted to use it. And Derek didn't really want to use it, so we didn't know for a long time if we were going to use it or not, but then at the end I was like, the bottom baby's Reese. I just feel like she's my tiny little baby, and that's what her name is going to be. Royal.
My name.
Well, I had 2 names on my boy list that were my favorites, and they've always been Asher and Royal. So if we were having 2 boys, those would have been their names. But since there was 1 boy, we kind of went back and forth. Like, I wanted Asher sometimes, but I still like Royal, and he just fell in love with Royal. And he just named him that.
My thought process behind Royal was, at first we thought, oh, I loved that name, but we thought that's too bold of a name to call him Royal. Like, he has a lot to live up to if you're calling him Royal. Because we found out last that we were having a boy when we did that gender reveal. It was girl, my heart sank. Not because I don't want a 4th girl, but I just wanted 1 boy. So we got the boy. So now I feel like he's our only boy. I feel like he's so special that, yeah, he's Royal. That's such a bold name, and we wanted to give it to him because it was a bold thing to scare us like that, Royal.
And then sweet little Wren.
Where did we get Wren?
Well, we were scrolling through our YouTube comments, And
Thank you, YouTube comments.
Derek, I had seen it on there and I liked it, and then Derek saw it and he's like, oh, what about Wren? I actually really like that. And it sounded familiar to me, and I look on my baby list, and it was the very last name on my baby list on my phone too. And I don't remember ever putting it on there. I don't know when I saw it or where it came from. I'm like, yeah, I must have liked that too, and I like it now, and he likes it. So thank you. This little bird, like this little brown bird, and she's just like this tiny little baby bird.
Yeah.
It's so fitting.
Guys, literally, this is what a wren is. This is a wren. This is a little bird named Wren. Like, how cute is that?
Someone today actually left in the comments like the meaning of each of their names, which was really cute. And Wren, they said, meant ruler, which she is the feistiest one out of all of them. She's the youngest, but she, like all the nurses are like, man, good luck with that one. She's feisty. And when you try to change her diaper or do anything she doesn't like, she is strong. Like her legs and arms are the size of my finger, and they're like flailing, and she'll like grab you and push you away. It's crazy. She's a little ruler.
The little ruler baby wren. And another question that I read while I was doing skin to skin, and a lot of people have asked this, and the reason why we haven't answered it is because it's a legitimate reason, and the reason is we do not know. But people ask, are the girls identical?
We're in separate sacs, separate placentas, which usually means fraternal, but I guess more recent, medical discovery? More recent medical discovery
You
shows
sound super smart.
shows that they can have separate sacs and separate placentas and still be identical if the eggs split within like 3 to 4 days of conception.
I think they're fraternal. They're going to do a blood test, but not for a little bit. It was so fun visiting our sweet little angels in the Nicu today, seeing them all three together. It was like the cutest thing ever.
Made it real to see them, like, to see 3 babies in a row. Like, we actually have 3 babies.
And then Gemma's kind of a baby still, but she's growing up so fast. Our date night was a success. We're about to hurry and log on and answer some emails and go like some more of your comments. So keep on leaving comments. You guys are all so awesome. Thanks for watching our videos and being part of our family. And we can't wait to show you more. Until next time.